I was not recording. Alright guys. So we're going out to the balcony. Nice little reveal of our poolside view here and the oceanside view here at the Marriott residence. Me and Mom Bear just woke up. We're about to go get breakfast, and we're gonna get breakfast down in the lobby. Some free complimentary breakfast. Yep, it's really cold. Not really cold, but it's really cold here in Maui. It's colder than Oahu. Like right now, I'm not waking up sweating. It's like you wanna just be cold and you wanna wear a hoodie. Actually, I don't know why, but I don't have any hoodies, and I didn't buy any at swap meet, so we're gonna just have to tough it out. Alright.
Do we need our phone?
No, yes. To film the awesome food. Because the vlog don't stop. Especially when you get breakfast.
Breakfast time.
Oh, she's snapping. I'm vlogging. We're going breakfast, guys. Look at the ambiance here in breakfast. You want to go view side? Let's go view side. Oh, Mama will go view side. Right there, view side. No, over there. Right there. Yeah. Alright, so honeymoon morning here. We got the breakfast. Oh man, looks so good. I want to like grub in already, but we have to film it first. And then Mama's over here already Snapchatting it. Ready to go. I should be Snapchatting too because I got this view. Look at that. Breakfast with a view right there. Mama, look at this. Breakfast. Breakfast is Mama Bear with a view. Look at that. How's it going, guys? So breakfast is done. We had to clean up a bit, shower, and get all ready. We don't know where we're going, but we're just gonna go out today, explore the island, I guess, right, Mama? Just go sightsee. We don't know exactly where we're going. Mama's gonna drive though. Just kidding. No, I'm gonna drive today.
As if I've never done this. Lie low. Been here before. Been here before. As if I've never done this.
Guess what? Right there.
Right way.
Over there across the street.
We walk. 223 feet.
Yeah, that's what I just said. It's across the street.
We could have walked.
Head west.
Walk. Just kidding. Okay.
Wow, wow.
No.
I think that sounds ugly.
That's what it says. That's what it sounds like.
You
Where are we going? Snorkel Bobs. Snorkel Bobs. There's WowWow right there.
Oh, found it.
Alright, we're gonna park.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Let's get some WowWow. Consists of, guys, looking at Google Maps and trying to find out where to go.
Do you want me to look up?
I don't know. Let's drive to Makawa. Oh man, it's dark. Alright, so we were sitting in the car for a minute looking for spots here in Maui to go check out. I texted my coworker because we are not bored out of our mind, but we just don't know what to do here in Maui. But right now we're gonna get some grub. Plenty to do in Maui.
Really?
Well, Jeff, you shoot me some ideas. And we're gonna check out some Ono grinds here at the kitchen. Alright, so we didn't really know what to order, so we went for the Notorious B.I.G. Locomoco, right, Mama? What's this now? These are appetizers that we got?
Kahlua wonton.
Ooh, French fries and some Kahlua pig wonton. We gotta try these out.
Alright, ma'am, would you like any ketchup for your French fries?
No, no, she's good.
Any hot sauce I can have for you guys?
You guys have ranch?
We do.
Thank you.
Some ranch, sriracha.
And actually,
Oh,
exactly. Sriracha, please. Yeah. Thank you.
so right here, this is the Notorious P.I.G. Moco. It's like super huge. Look at, compare the size. My hand. Nah, just kidding. My hand is like far away. But look how big this bowl is. Me and Mama are gonna share this, right, Mama? This island favorite right here, fries. Here's what's left of the damage right here. Man, me and my bear got defeated. They got defeated by the kitchen, right? But that plate is definitely good for like 3 hungry people. 4 hungry people. If Brandon's here, he could kill this right here. But man, we got defeated. Thanks, bro. Thank you, thank you. Alright, let's go jump in the pool. In the rain. Hi, Mama. Me too. Like a gains though. We don't know where we're going in Maui. We just drive in. We playing this game called Let's Get Lost, and she's already lost in some dreams. We're trying to go to the pool before it closes, but alright, so we finally got up. Got lazy. She had to roll me out of bed. But we're going to the bar real quick, gonna get a drink, and then we're gonna head over to the pool.
Shawty, if you just take a minute, have yourself a seat, we can have this conversation. Maybe later on we can just see it's beautiful. Shawty, if you just take a minute. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My blood do. Ooh, I forgot name.
Look at all this fire right here. Man, alright, I think we're ending the snaps here today, guys. Oh no, I don't know why I'm wearing this shirt. Oh dang. Alright, cool. We're ending it here, guys.